everything you need is right here on the ground. You don't have to be the loudest to be the greatest. Gratitude is the flex, and it's always the latest. One time for the soul, two times for the peace. Yeah, keep it steady. So if you're feeling the vibe, put a hand in the air. There's enough room for everyone, I promise, I swear. The view is much better when you're not on the throne, because you're never at the top when you're standing alone. I'm humble by choice, I'm happy by spirit. If the universe is talking, then I'm staying to hear it. Hold up. Sit down, be humble. Just enjoy the sun today. Sit down, be humble. Yeah, we with it, but we staying quiet with it.